Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to explain one new word which is high spirits, and I will give you some example to make you understand how you can use this word in your IELTS test. Okay, let's begin our video. The word is high spirits, which is noun. Its meaning in Hindi is खुश दिल मिजाज, जिंदा दिल और उत्साही. जब कोई बंदा बहुत खुश मिजाज होता है, ज़िंदा दिल होता है, हमेशा खुश रहने वाला होता है, एनर्जेटिक फील कराता हुआ होता है, तो उसके लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ઇન ગુજરાતી ઇટ મીન્સ ઉમંગ, ઉમળકો અને ઉત્સાહ. જ્યારે તમે બહુ ઉત્સાહમાં હોય, બહુ એનર્જેટિક ફીલ કરતા હોય, ત્યારે આ વર્ડ તમે યુઝ કરી શકો છો એ પરિસ્થિતિને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવા માટે. નાઉ લેટ્સ સી ઇટ્સ સિનોનિયમ and understand the meaning. Dictionary meaning is lively, cheerful, and happy. If someone is in high spirits, they are happy and cheerful. You can also count energetic also. Now, probably some of the synonyms, most suitable synonyms are enthusiastic, joyful, gaiety, cheerful, liveliness, jest, and energetic. I am providing these synonyms because in IELTS examination you have to use paraphrasing technique, and in paraphrasing you have to use synonyms or similar meaning words. Okay, so these are very useful. Now let's see the example. Very first is, after college reunion we all were in high spirits. After college reunion we all were in high spirits. Second sentence, I always set off in high spirits after listening this song. I always set off in high spirits after listening this song. This sentence can give you idea how you can use this word where you have to describe a song which is very special for you. There is one cue card. You can use this type of sentence in that cue card. Second one is, working people always be in high spirits during weekends. Working people always be in high spirits during weekend. Fourth one, everyone will be naturally in high spirits during festivals. Everyone will be naturally in high spirits during festival. Again, this sentence you can use in your cue card or in part 1 or part 3 questions where it is related to the festivity or festival. Next one is, he is always in high spirits when he is trying to help people. This kind of sentence you can use to describe a person who is always being too kind or who is always be ready to help other people. Okay, again I repeat, he is always in high spirits when he is trying to help people. Sixth one is, I admire her cause she is always in high spirits despite she is struggling in her personal life. Again I repeat, I admire her cause she is always in high spirits despite she is struggling in her personal life. This sentence you can use in a cue card where you have to speak about a person who always motivates you or who inspires you. Okay, now the last one, I planned everything perfectly and so we all were in high spirits, but unfortunately it didn't last for long. Again, I repeat, I planned everything perfectly and so we all were in high spirits, but unfortunately it didn't last for long. This sentence also you can use in the cue card where you have to describe the situation where your plan failed. Another cue card is, describe a journey which didn't go as you planned. Describe a journey which didn't go as you planned. Here I have provided some cue cards where you can use this word. Hope you like this video and you learned something new today. If you like my video, then don't forget to press like button and share with your friend. Thank you for watching my videos.